In 2025, budget airlines are set to redefine travel for enthusiasts like us. First on the list is Ryanair, continuing its legacy of ultra-low fares while expanding routes to lesser-known gems across Europe. Next up, we have Spirit Airlines, which is shaking things up in the US with its innovative pricing model, allowing travelers to customize their experience and save even more. Don't overlook Wizz Air, making waves in Eastern Europe with its vibrant fleet and commitment to sustainability. They're not just about low costs, they're investing in eco-friendly practices. Then there's AirAsia, leading the charge in Asia with its extensive network and unbeatable deals, perfect for those spontaneous getaways. Finally, we can't forget about Frontier Airlines, which is enhancing its services with more direct flights and family-friendly options. These airlines are not just about getting you from point A to B, they're making travel accessible, exciting, and budget-friendly. So, pack your bags and get ready to explore the world without breaking the bank.